Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. On today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can add music to Facebook stories. So you can actually add music to Facebook story like photos or videos, and here's how to do that. So I've already opened my Facebook, and then I'm going to click on the create story. So just click on that, and you can choose the media that you want to add. It can be photos or for videos. I'm going to just add this photos for example. Okay, and to add music, you can see that at the left panel here there is a music option, so just click on that, and then you can find the music that you want to add. So for example, I'm gonna add music about coffee, so you can just type in the keyword like this, and to add it, just click on the music, and then it will be added to your stories. And you can also change its appearance by clicking on the lyrics on the music, and then you can change it like this by clicking on this circles like this. Oops, I'm going to go with this one for example, and you can also choose which part of the song that you want to add. So you can just swipe like this, and after that click on done. And you can also adjust the positions of the song like this. For example, I want to add in here, and then after that just click on save, or you can also click on share directly. Okay guys, so that's all for me. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you think this content is helpful for you, please click thanks below, click on the thumbs up icon, leave a comment, and subscribe to our channel. See you at the following tutorial. Bye.